morning. I'm about to take a ginger shot. I made my own. I bought like a pitcher at the grocery store. So there's, ooh, my whole body is sore because I went to the gym yesterday. I burned almost 1,200 calories. Yeah, so I made a ginger shot. There's ginger, turmeric, lemon, and cayenne. Girl, I drank this shit yesterday. Oh, my chest was warm. My chest was so warm. So, I feel like this is too much. That looks like a lot. It looks like a lot to me. It really does. Here we go, here we go, here we go. I got water on standby. Let's do it. Okay. My chest. Oh. Whew. Okay. Girl.
Many months later.
Hello. We are doing a barbecue. So.
Is that it?
I'm filming. So I'm just trimming the brisket here. No, the barbecue's gonna be tomorrow after church. Okay, I got the wood chips soaking. They're gonna soak for 24 hours because, girl, I don't have any patience for anything going wrong. Okay. Let me, I have to line it with foil because it's gonna go in the fridge for overnight. I have my rub here. I got brown sugar, meat seasoning, white pepper, black pepper, cayenne, garlic powder, onion powder, blackening spice. What else? I can't remember, but there's a lot of stuff in here. So.
He say that I'm good enough, got my think about shit that I shouldn't know. So I tell him it's one of me, he making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me, like that boy is a cap. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, bet he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's fat. And it been what it been. Calling his phone like he'll send me a pin. Ducking my shit cause he know what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you, and I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through?
Okay, so this is going to marinate, or so I don't know, girl, what rubs do, but it's gonna be in the fridge for 24 hours. Well, not morning, afternoon. It's Mother's Day. So the brisket, y'all saw, is already on the smoker, barbecue, whatever. Now I'm gonna marinate the chicken, and then 2 hours into the smoking, I'm gonna pop this on the thing because it doesn't have to smoke as long as the brisket does. So let's begin. Let me put my gloves on. This, I want 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 this, and I want this. Right now, yeah. Wait, which one's which? I don't want paprika. I want this too. That's what I keep forgetting to buy. I keep forgetting to buy either Tony's or Slap Your Mama. It's a seasoning, Caleb. Okay, boom. This is gonna go in the fridge. And that's gonna marinate, as I said, for like 2 hours. And then I feel like this week is just gonna be a barbecuing week because we're just gonna have brisket and chicken today, and then hot dogs and burgers. Tomorrow's Monday. Tuesday I'm going into the office. Wednesday. It depends if the brisket's done. If the brisket's not done, I'm not cooking. But maybe I'll make it on Friday. Come out working Friday. And then you guys will follow us to, I don't think I even did an introduction because I was initially filming for TikTok, but why not? It's gonna be a busy week. So what's up, y'all? My name is Barbara Atewe. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another episode of InTheLifeOfB. Who's B? That's me, okay? The brothers are here. So on Friday I have no work, so we're gonna do burgers and hot dogs, and then we're gonna go play bingo. That's gonna be fun. I'm excited because me and the kid went last week. He won $50, I won $150. We're trying to win the jackpot of $2,700. Okay, so that's gonna be a fun wang dang doodle all the time. Okay, but yeah, I think that's pretty much it for now. I'm gonna make the dirty rice later. We're having baked beans too. What else? What else? Dirty rice, baked beans. I don't want to make too much. I don't feel like doing all that. Baked beans, dirty rice. What else do you eat? I'll try to make some coleslaw. That'll be good. And I think that's it. Oh, and cornbread. The kid can make that. Yeah. I'm tired. The kid could make that. I bought the Krusteaz mix. Yes. Yes. Nice. Actually, make it in the muffin tins.
Well, I like muffins.
Oh, that's too bad.
Why can't I just do the cherry?
No.
That's not
That's not what, a reason?
a reason.
I'm telling you no. I have to provide a reason. What's up, y'all? We are at the, hold on. Is it focused? I can't tell. We are at the, what is this called? The citizenship ceremony. My dad's inside right now. They won't let me inside. The stupid fucking security guard's a fucking dickhead. But it was an event this morning trying to get here, but yeah, hopefully I'll be able to like film something. I don't know, I have no idea how it's gonna work out, but me and my brothers were in the waiting room, so yeah, I'm excited. It's been a long time coming, 38 years. We're on the outside because there's no more seats inside, so. Hello, party people. There's the new Canadian in the back. Let me zoom in. Where is he? There he is. Ooh, where am I going? Right there. Nope. Nope. There they are.
You guys did the right team, man.
There was a bunch of chaos this morning, but we got the job done. You know? That's all that matters. My God.
Alright.
Where's the keys?
Oh, yeah.
No, before you do, actually, yeah. Just start it. So you turn it, do not hold it, or you're gonna kill the starter. Oh my days.
You said don't hold it.
It's not the Land Rover. Okay,
I
hold
didn't.
it for like 2 seconds. There we go, it's on. That's it. That's
It stays
it.
in there?
Yes, Jesus Christ.
Oh.
Don't touch anything. Look at your mirrors, adjust them to how you want them to be.
There you go.
All right, and then you have to adjust this one. You have to be able to see the whole back window. Like sit how you would sit driving. Okay. And that's fine. Please move
I
your
didn't do
foot.
anything.
Move your left foot so you don't accidentally hit the brake while
How do
you're
I
driving.
start it?
What do you mean?
How
How
do
do
I
you
start
start?
driving?
We're not there yet.
Oh, okay.
Left side, the left pedal, left pedal is the brake.
Where's the left one?
It's literally
I only see one right here.
okay, that one that you're seeing, that's the brake.
That's the drive, right?
No.
Oh, this is the drive
The
one?
accelerator is there on the right side. Stop. Don't hit it too hard.
I didn't hit it too hard.
Yes, you did.
just
That's
tapped
literally
it.
revved it.
Oh, I didn't know.
I don't think we could do this, Caleb.
No, okay, what's next? What's next?
And then this is to control where we're going.
What's this button?
We're in park right now. That's literally your turn signal. We're not there yet. We're not turning. You're just gonna drive straight, and you're not gonna hit the gas too heavy.
Okay.
This is in park, so your foot's supposed to be always on brake right now. Caleb,
This is the brake one, right?
why are you
Oh, yeah,
using
you
that
said.
foot? Is it holding it?
No, not yet.
Hold it down, because that's the only way you're gonna be able to change the gear. So you hold this.
Oh, okay.
When that's reverse, neutral, drive. Okay, so take your just take your foot off. Don't put the gas on it
I'm not.
on anything. Okay, and then lightly press the drop. I said
I
lightly.
pressed it lightly.
That's not lightly.
That was light for me.
Jesus Christ! How are we gonna do this?
Don't like to brake.
Why are you braking so hard?
Okay, I'm not meaning to brake. I'm just like pressing it. Like we're still going forward though.
Is your foot on anything?
No.
Yeah, because it's like not in control. So brake, don't slam. Just slowly, gradually press your foot on the brake. Caleb.
That's slowly, gradually.
Why are we still moving?
Oh yeah.
Okay, there we go.
There
and
we
then
go.
we're in park now.
Whew.
So put your foot back on the brake, because that's the only way you're gonna be able to change gears.
This is in drive now.
Yeah. Drive to the furthest tree. Don't slam.
I'm not.
Okay. You don't press it hard. You just maintain the same pressure. Caleb, I just
I'm
said.
not trying. Wait.
Why are you taking your foot off the gas? If you.
There we go. Now we got
Okay,
it.
now stop pressing it hard.
Brake.
And then brake.
Brake slowly.
Yes, so you
There
don't
we
kill
go.
Dad's brakes and he has to go get them repaired.
We're learning. I thought I'm pretty well.
Yeah, this is a great first lesson. We are done for today because I don't think I can do it anymore. Jesus Christ.
That's a success. Day one success. Oh, thank you, Barbara. I feel like I did pretty well.
Oh, wait, no. Go back in, turn the car off.
Oh.
Caleb,
Which
don't
way?
turn it.
the
Turn it
left?
towards you.
Oh, okay.
Stop before you kill the starter. Get out the car. Look at this growing. Oh, my bitch. I'm telling y'all. Waist length, December 2023. Because we were just touching here. last month. Okay? I showed y'all. How long has it been since I relaxed my hair? I couldn't tell you. I think it was a month.